Hi there, so today I'm making my air-fried plantain and salmon with sauteed vegetables. This is a favorite dash diet of mine for two reasons. First of all, this meal is packed with potassium, magnesium and omega-3, all the key ingredients that can help you lower your blood pressure. And secondly, the plantain no longer needs to be shallow fried or deep fried, drenched in oil, as it used to be before the arrival of the air fryer. So I hope you enjoy making and eating this meal as I always do. So let's start cooking. Let's begin with preparing the sauteed vegetables. So chop up the onion. Prepare 2 cloves of garlic. Chop up half of a courgette. Chop up a medium-sized carrot. Chop up a whole red pepper. Finally, chop up a whole pack of asparagus tips. There you have it, all the prepped vegetables. You can also use other vegetables like broccoli, kale, and spinach. Now, to prepare the sauteed vegetables, use a frying pan or a wok, medium heat, and a glug of oil. Add the onions, then add in the crushed garlic. After 2 minutes, add the asparagus and carrots as they take longer to soften. Sprinkle some crushed chilies for flavor. This is optional. After 4 minutes, add the chopped courgettes and red peppers and cook for a further minute. Add some crushed black pepper and a tiny sprinkle of salt. Finally, switch off the fire and add the green peas, allowing the residual heat to cook the peas and set aside. Look at that vibrant combination of colors. Now to the plantain. To cut open the plantain, start by cutting the ends of the plantain. Then cut a long slit through the plantain, slipping your finger through the slit to remove the skin. Cut the plantain diagonally as shown. Plantain is mostly shallow fried or deep fried, but with the air fryer this is no longer necessary. Spray some oil into the air fryer basket and lay out the plantain slices as shown. Finally, spray more oil on top of the laid out plantain in the basket. Transfer the basket into the air fryer. Use the air crisp setting at 190 degrees for 8 minutes. If you do not have an air fryer, use parchment paper on a baking tray using the same time and temperature. Don't forget to spray the oil. After 8 minutes, flip all the slices of plantain over, repeating the same settings for another 8 minutes. Once done, remove the plantain from the air fryer. And add the salmon steak on air crisp setting at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. You can also grill the fish in an oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Once done, serve with sauteed vegetables and garnish with cherry tomatoes. Please smash the like button if you have enjoyed this video. And if you are new to this channel, why not subscribe? See you in the next video. Bye.